We have received a complaint that because of earth cutting there has been a deterioration in the air quality also. Earlier also we have received these complaints, and whenever we have received earlier also, in that case inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that there was one committee from KHADC also. They have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that magistrate has been deployed, and action will be taken on that accordingly.